now if we continue to extend the range, at some point in time the smart money will start to think, okay, we have a anomaly here, but we also can see the fact that business is coming in at higher levels, so let us put this on a back burner for the moment and support the trend. That can happen. If that starts happening, then we are extending the range to the upside very clearly. But if they are still worried, what they can do is they stop supporting the markets, it starts to move sideways, and smart money is a cohort. Okay, it's not one person, there are multiple smart money traders out there, and it's also not necessary for all of them to have the same opinion. Some of them might be thinking of longs, some of them might be thinking that okay, this is not a good place to trade, so they are flat. Some of them are still thinking about short. What is happening here is the smart traders amongst themselves are trying to find out what majority of them are doing. And the best thing about smart money is that even if like they are thinking about short, but they see that the longs have the upper hand, they will curtail their plans to short the markets and think about joining hands with these people. That is exactly what can happen despite leaving behind an anomaly. But if these longs do not show continuous range extension, business coming in at higher levels, then these shorts will gain confidence, and then they will say that okay, if nothing, at least we need to test below this anomaly. That can give them some lower prices. They can adjust their positions. If they are heavily short, they may try to use this opportunity to get out of their short. So many things can happen. So that's the way smart money trades. They are not always right, they are not always in a winning position, but most of the times they are in a position to understand the markets well, manage their positions well, they have good amount of capital, and they understand the behavior of retail traders very well. What they are worried about is the behavior of their fellow smart traders. It's like a you put two boxers with matching abilities in the ring, and you get a long drawn nice match. But if one is a rookie and one is a superstar, the superstar will knock the rookie out in one punch, right? When it comes to smart money and retail traders are the rookie boxer who is just coming into the game, whereas the smart traders are veteran, heavyweight champions. But when two heavyweight champions or one real contender is fighting a champion, then the match becomes exciting and interesting. So that is exactly what happens when smart traders are trying to figure out what their fellow smart traders are doing. But no matter who's right or wrong amongst them, they are always well equipped and better prepared than retail traders.